Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to turn on Wi-Fi on the following car. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Vitara. Let's find here and select the settings. So under the settings, you've got access to the system settings, and here you can also use the left tab. Let's navigate here and let's choose here the phone icon in order to open the connected device settings. So here you can enable the Wi-Fi. As you can see, you can use this toggle to enable the Wi-Fi. Let me do it. Let me tap no for now. So right now you just enable the Wi-Fi. You can also tap here the Wi-Fi password right now. So here you can show the password. This is the password for the Wi-Fi from the car. You can try to update the password if you would like to change it. So let me tap update, and the password is updated. As you can see, now you can also go back, and if you would like to disable the Wi-Fi, let's use the same toggle, and here you've got the confirmation. If the Wi-Fi setting is turned off, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay will not be available. Use wirelessly. Are you sure about this? If you are sure, let's tap yes. So that's it. You just enable and disable the Wi-Fi. You just check the password of the Wi-Fi. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.